welcome back to another video. Well, if you're watching this, you probably realise that I tried to make a horror game in 3 hours, and yeah, this is it. Yeah, if you've got eyes, you can see it doesn't look very good, and that's because I only had 3 hours. But anyway, it works, I suppose. So yeah, overall I was quite happy how it turned out. But yeah, I mean, obviously there's still a lot of work which could have been done on the game. Like, there's no main menu or just anything like that. But with a 3 hour time limit, it's quite limited. And then I did have to use a few, so I used this plugin, which is this one, Codes Attacker, to make a quick cutscene. And then I also went to Sketchfab to get a monster, this thing, a monster character, yeah, which looks, it's just like a plague doctor, yeah, a plague doctor, but yeah. I'll get rid of that now. But yeah, so I don't know the exact time it took me because I didn't really record the process, but I can still kind of try and talk you through it. So, the whole game idea was you basically come back from, I don't know, a job or somewhere, and then you want to go and relax, but you get kidnapped, and that was sort of the idea. And then you'd wake up somewhere else. That second part of the waking up, I wasn't even close to having enough time for, but I was going to try and make it a bit like Saw or something, or that Spiral, anything like that. But yeah. Yeah, so after I sort of planned the game out, I sort of planned out a basic drawing of where I wanted most of the furniture. I then had to, build it, because that's what you usually have to do if you want a map. And obviously, compared to maybe my other builds you've seen, it's a lot less detailed. I only had 3 hours, but yeah, I think it all serves good enough. Everything looks alright, but it all looks in the same sort of style, and I was just definitely going for this lovely style. That's why it all looks like this. But yeah. Yeah, I guess that's basically the building process done. Everything was actually on Roblox Studio, which is something I don't usually do. But yeah, I wanted the blocky stuff. It was sort of perfect for it. But yeah, that was basically the building process done. How long did it take? Not a clue, but let's just say it took an hour overall. Did it? Probably not, but oh well, I don't care. Then I guess I had to actually make a script so the game could work. And I was stupid enough to make it all in one script, so bloody nightmare to do anything. But yeah, technically it works, but it's not a very good script. But I'll quickly talk you through the script. If you want to skip this part, I don't blame you. It's going to be bloody boring, but this is just all the parts of the monster. This is pretty irrelevant. I didn't name these just what they came with. Then I'm defining each text event, and yeah. This is basically just, getting the player, the camera, tweeting service, and user input service. Now, basically 6 of the 7 I think just look like this, and all it is the text popping up at the bottom, which is here, and it comes back again, and it just says something different every time. So you got this, and all these are literally the same, so you can sort of skip over them. And then you've got this bloody mess, is the best way I'll describe it. So this is the main part of the game, and which took bloody ages because I am not a very good scripter, if you couldn't tell by how this looks. Basically, when something happens, I'll show you in a bit. You're basically locked there, you're locked into first person, and your mouse goes away, so it's like a proper cutscene. Then text pops up, this is nothing really different. And then I make the camera scriptable, and then I've defined this earlier. So the tweening part 1, which is I think this part, this is the hitting camera part, and I think that's what it is. Anyway. But yeah, and then the camera gets locked into here, and then once you're locked, nothing happens for 8 seconds, and then basically all the lights and stuff, so like the TV which you turn on, all starts flickering. That's what this is, the TV part. And then more text, I guess. Yeah. This is, yeah, again, nothing special. And then this one I mentioned at the start, this is the cutscene plugin. I can actually figure out how to make it work with the remote event. So instead, I just enable the script when I wanted it to, and it works like that. So yeah, if you're wondering how you do that, all you have to do is don't enable the script, and then when you want it to happen, just enable it, and then it'll work. And this is me making the monster visible. There's definitely a better way to do this, but it works, so I don't really care. Then after a second, the cutscene ends. The camera locks into the twinning part 2, which is this part, and then this text says good night, and then whatever the player's name is, and then the text turns to red here, and then black screen comes at the end, and that is literally the game done. It sounds pretty simple, because it is, and it probably shouldn't take me as long as it did, but oh well. That's literally the main sort of concept, so I'll quickly show you actually like. So yeah, Jesus. I made the player walk like lower, so they won't complete the game as well. So look, it says basically I need to find a TV remote, and that's what I mean by the pop-up. And then after this, if you can't find it and you still try and turn on the telly, it says this. Still need to find a TV remote. And then I think the wardrobes as well, either one of these I think. Basically I should not check the wardrobe. Then here's the location for the TV remote, so it's great, you can turn on the TV. Now if we click it, look, this is what I mean, like, it looks beautiful. Yeah, and then it says I should sit down, and then this is basically the game done. Like, there's nothing faster if you sit here. There's actually nothing you can do. I'm trying to move, but you can't, so you are locked. The script basically does the rest, so this is what I mean, it'll flicker soon. And yeah, I haven't really done much on the lighting, but I basically just made it so it was dark, and I think that was good enough. But yeah, so then I've tried to make it look like, so you get up, you spin around, and that's it. You just, yeah. But no, it's literally the game done. There's not really an end screen or anything, again, because I ran out of time, but yeah, I mean, that was literally it. So, I mean, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment. Like and subscribe, because that's good for me. And yeah, I mean, I guess thanks for watching, and bye.